Hey there, military enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the incredible performance of the ANKA-III UCAV, a true game-changer in modern aerial warfare. Recently it showcased its precision and power by hitting a target with the TEBER-82 guided bomb. Let's break it down. The ANKA-III is an unmanned combat aerial vehicle, or UCAV, developed by Turkish aerospace industries. It's part of the next generation of drones designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and most impressively, precision strikes. With an operational ceiling of 30,000 feet and an impressive endurance of over 24 hours, this drone is built to dominate the skies. But what really sets the ANKA-III apart is its integration with advanced weaponry like the TEBER-82 guided bomb. The TEBER-82, developed by Roketsan, is a laser-guided bomb kit that transforms conventional bombs into precision-guided munitions. It uses a semi-active laser seeker to home in on targets with pinpoint accuracy. In a recent test, the ANKA-III took to the skies with the TEBER-82 on board. The mission, a precision strike on a designated target. As the drone approached the target area, its advanced targeting systems locked onto the target. With a swift command, the TEBER-82 was released. Now here's where it gets exciting. The TEBER-82, guided by its laser seeker, glided smoothly towards the target. Within moments, it homed in with incredible accuracy. Boom! The target was obliterated, demonstrating the lethal precision of this formidable duo. This test not only highlights the capabilities of the ANKA-III but also underscores the evolving landscape of modern warfare. With drones like these, militaries can conduct operations with greater precision and reduced risk to personnel. The successful deployment of the TEBER-82 guided bomb from the ANKA-III is a significant milestone. It showcases the seamless integration of advanced technologies to achieve tactical superiority. In conclusion, the ANKA-III UCAV, armed with the TEBER-82 guided bomb, is a testament to the future of aerial combat. It's all about precision, power, and efficiency. This dynamic duo is set to redefine the rules of engagement. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're as fascinated by cutting-edge military tech as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next video.